That's a really nice patch.
Mm-hmm. I wish there was more packs in there. Another pack and this one too.
Awesome. Oh, we got a Brandon Roy rookie card. That's always good. And a D Brown red. JJ Redick. Oh, wow. Wow, that one's really...
Number 299, 6 of 99.
You know, of course his jersey's number 8. That's a really nice patch. You got purple, silver, black, and white.
Black, and then you can see, you say on this way, a little gray.
Yeah. That's a really nice one. That's a real nice patch card. Good patch cards in this set.
I have no idea about this.
They go so fast.
Another patch in this.
Oh, good.
Want patches in here? Just get the fit through.
Oh, who's that? That's cool. Luther Head patch card from the All-Star game.
JJ Relic again.
Redick. That's okay. Got his auto now. Here's JJ Redick. Dual jersey auto. And then
This one looks like it's
look
got
at
some blood on it.
yeah, that's
A haunted card.
that's a pretty cool patch. Again, hard to tell. It's like silver, white, and red, but that's, I don't know, it looks like it's from the Rockets jersey, not from the All-Star. Numbered 7 of just 10. Really nice card. That's cool. That's a nice patch. I like that one too.
3 more boxes to go now. This looks like
Tyrus Thomas rookie card. I know someone out there in the world would like that one.
jersey in this one.
Oh, these go by way too fast. Oh, another All-Star rally. Ooh.
Ben Wallace.
Oh, I know another. Chris, is that Boss?
I have no
Yeah,
idea.
no, it is. Wow, that's a good auto. We're getting a lot of veteran autos in this case.
Joe Johnson. Ron
Number
Williams.
2 of 75. And then Ben Wallace All-Star. Ben Wallace, good player. Bull now.
2 more boxes to go
Well,
now.
maybe we'll get that 101 or something in here.
Hope you do. That'd be nice. Just jersey or something? But it might be good. Maybe a Dwayne Wade auto. Miami Heat Dwayne Wade.
Dwayne Wade jersey, you almost called it.
Shaquille O'Neal.
2 Shaq autos in the same case. Wow, check that out. Just say Shaq since you can't say Shaquille. We got another Shaq auto jersey All-Star,
And
numbered to
then we got-
199.
Remember I said...
This is the Miami Heat. You said Dwayne Wade. We got a Dwayne Wade jersey. Nice. This is the Miami Heat case, numbered 66 and 99. Either way you look at it, it's 66 and 99. Wow. 2 Shaq autos in the same case.
And a Dwayne Wade.
And a Dwayne Wade jersey to boot.
2 jerseys might be something good.
Shaquille. Call him Mr. O'Neal.
Or Shaq.
Or Diesel.
Oh,
Oh, we've never got one of those before.
Ronnie Brewer.
Yeah, we need to start liking him.
It's like a Ronnie Brewer guy, too.
Ronnie Brewer.
And we got a jersey auto of... This name?
Oh, Hilton Armstrong.
Yeah.
Pretty nice Hilton Armstrong auto jersey, draft day. And our last box.
Goes too quickly. It's only like a minute.
Well, it's alright. We did okay. We got a lot of good cards out of this one.
This jersey?
That's alright. That last jersey was a Shaq and a Dwayne Wade.
I hope it's the same one because that'd be pretty
How about an Iverson? We don't have an
Ron
Iverson.
Golden.
Oh, we know someone who collects Craig Smith.
Not
There's your
so good at the end.
Craig Smith auto jersey.
James White.
James White dual jersey. Well, that was a lot of fun. Yeah, let's, we'll pull out all the good ones. Oh, hey, we got Brandon Roy blue card, numbered 20 of 59. That one's a pretty good card right there.